I got it. I'm taking a video of you so you can watch yourself play hockey, okay? So, you gotta hit the puck first and then I'll show you, okay? Yep, ready? What do we say? Let's play hockey. Nice shot, buddy. Okay, get the puck out. You can brush your hair. Oh, fix your net, buddy. Nice. When Brady's done playing hockey, I'll brush your hair, okay?
Are you done playing hockey? Yeah.
You're all done, buddy?
What?
You're all done playing hockey?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, come here.